Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on laptop. So guys, if you want to record, then you need to download an app. So for that, go to your Google Chrome and then click on the search bar and search iTop Screen Recorder Download. Now click on the first option and guys, you have to download this app, and I have downloading this app. So now I'm doing the video, so I can't download it again. So you need to download the app at your own, and after downloading, when you open the app, then you will see a record option. And if you want to record a screen, then just click on the record option and then your screen recording will be started. And that's how you can record your screen on laptop very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.